With InfraWorks 360, you can gain the ability to combine and utilize data to help create a data-rich model of the existing environment. And with the Roadway Design module for InfraWorks 360, you now have the ability to engineer early design concepts in context. It gives you a greater insight and better predict how alternatives will perform by completing preliminary engineering tasks within the context of the built environment. So here's the home screen, and this is the Model Builder tool within InfraWorks. Well, you'll type in your location, either by city or address, similar to Bing, Google Maps. You're going to zoom in to your area of interest and note that there is a maximum of 200 square kilometers to create the model. Select the information that's going to be attached to your data set. Give your model a name, and then associate it with a group. So by default, it's my group, and then you'll create your model. And via email, you'll get a notification from Autodesk saying that your model is created within minutes. And so you'll access InfraWorks again through the home page, which looks like this. And it's broken up into two parts. You have the left side, which shows all the thumbnails of the models that are available to you, as well as the right side, which shows you the modules that you have access to, such as the roadway design and the bridge design and drainage design modules. Now, up in the upper left, you have access to the software options. Now, this option, I want to point this out because it does come in handy. You can lock your mouse navigation just to be above ground. Here you can access existing models that you've previously went into or worked on. And with My Models, you have different options to access there as well. Now, these three icons within the thumbnail, you can duplicate or delete the model. But I'll get into that model that I created for San Diego, and this is zoomed into our project area already. Now, the interactive ribbon in InfraWorks is located here in the top left corner. The orange InfraWorks icon, the brown road design icon, and then the purple bridge design icon. As you can see here, as I'm going through each module design button, there's a list of other tools that kind of pop out on the left side. And so here I'll just utilize the road to draw a basic road. Now this will bring up the styles palette. You can pick any style, and you can see here from that window that there's a library full of styles that the software comes with. I'll zoom into our project area, and I'm just going to draw a new road linking this road to the north to the south. And I'll zoom in. Okay, and you can see here that the style is automatically applied and designed for me. Now, selecting this road, you can access properties similar to Civil 3D and AutoCAD, where you can modify the style. Now here, I'll modify the style to match the existing roads, and then click the Update button in the upper right corner of the Properties window. Now there's also an auto update, so that way whenever you update the styles in the object, such as road or the bridge, it automatically updates for you. So just like that, I've already designed a road. So let's go ahead and add other features to our model, such as a building. In the same process, I'm just going to pick a style and pick any arbitrary point to start the outline of your building. Now, you can graphically pick the boundary or the outline of your building, or using the tooltip there, you can key in a certain value. And after clicking enter, it'll lock in that distance, and then you just got to pick the bearing. And so I'll run through the same process for the entire building outline. Again, locks that point at that distance and bearing. And I'll try to maintain the same distances all around. So 120 on this side. Give it a nice round number. That looks about right, 410. And then a double click to finish it off. And that quick, I got my building. Now you can see here that the grips, after an object is selected, they appear. And you can rotate, move the object. Here I'd like to modify the roof material. So again, using your properties window, I'll select the material. And just like that, I have the roof material applied.